Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can save a design in Canva as a PDF, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank design, blank presentation, call it whatever you want. I'll just put in this template, and let's say this is my entire project. Now, as you can see, if you look up here, it has been saved to the Canva cloud, and all these changes have been saved. And next time I load this up, this is the screen that will be present. Now, if you want to save this as a PDF, what you need to do is go to the top right of the window, go on share, then go into download. Here you can download it as a standard PDF or a printing PDF. Printing has a better sort of color scheme for printing and better sort of formatting. Standard is just for digital documents or sending emails, but yeah, you just need to choose either one of these that you want and then click download. If I add several more slides, which let's just say they're blank slides, and if I hit share, click download, you will need to choose which slides you want to download, but by default it should be all slides. Then you just select your format again, click download, and it should be downloaded to your system. It's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.